Welcome. This quick and easy tutorial will be showing you how to change your Crosshair X keybinds. All right. So first up, we have here, I'm gonna go ahead and open up the Crosshair X. Okay, we have here our default toggle, which is Shift plus Alt plus Z. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and press that specific keybind. So again, Shift plus Alt plus Z. That one turns on or off your crosshair. Okay, again, Shift Alt plus Z. It's now turned on or visible. Now, if you want to change that specific keybind, you can go ahead over to the left panel, click on keybinds right here under customization, right here. Now, as you can see here for a global toggle, which is this one or the visibility, you can go ahead and change this one if you want to as well. Okay, just click on it and it says here awaiting input. So maybe I'm just going to go ahead and enter Control plus Shift plus F12. Okay, as you can see here, we have Shift, Control, F12. Now I'm going to go ahead and press that specific keybind. And when you hover over the visibility section right here, it's now changed as well. So Control or Shift, Control plus F12. There you go, on and off. Now if you want to change the keybind for your aim, okay, and as you can see here by default, it's set to right click. And the fire is left click and R. Just go ahead and do so if you want to change it. Okay. And if you do have a controller as well, you can go ahead and bind which control button you want it to be, the toggle or the global toggle. Okay. Just make sure that this one is on. And that is it. That's how easy it is to change your Crosshair X keybinds. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.